All right, food review time, guys. Mighty Taco chicken fajita. See if it outdoes Colosso's chicken. It's amazing. The cheese is nice and melted. Medium sauce has got a little punch to it, but it's still delicious. A little light on the tomatoes. That medium sauce is delicious. Good crispy lettuce. I heard the tortilla was 50% of your taco experience. It's not a great tortilla. Could use a little heat, a little crisp to it, you know? But one more bite. Everyone knows the rules. $7.8. 7.8. Small chicken fajita, Mighty Taco. That's without the cheese sauce to dip it in. That's it. I love you. Jesus loves you.